Hey, imagine this. You're staring at a mountain of receipts. Your bank account is a mystery, and the phrase profit and loss sends shivers down your spine. You know you need to get your business finances organized, and someone mentioned QuickBooks. But then the big question hits you, is QuickBooks training free? I mean, really free? Like no hidden fees, no premium upgrade pop-ups, just pure, unadulterated knowledge? You're not alone in wondering that. Let's be honest. Running a business is like juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. Adding the stress of figuring out accounting software shouldn't be part of the performance. We've all been there, right? That moment you realize you're spending more time trying to decipher invoices than actually growing your business. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and it can be downright terrifying. Now, QuickBooks is a powerhouse. It's the industry standard for a reason. It can handle everything from basic bookkeeping to complex financial reporting. But here's the kicker. It's only powerful if you know how to use it. And that's where the training comes in. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a high-performance sports car and try to drive it without ever learning how to shift gears, would you? You'd end up damaging the car or worse, yourself. QuickBooks is your business's high-performance engine, and training is your driver's education. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Is QuickBooks training free? The simple answer is, it's complicated. You see, free is a slippery word. It's like saying you got a free sample at the grocery store, but you still had to drive there, spend time in the store, and resist buying a whole cart full of other stuff. There's always some kind of cost. When it comes to QuickBooks training, you'll find a wide spectrum of options, each with its own price tag, or lack thereof. First, let's talk about the official sources. Intuit, the company behind QuickBooks, offers a variety of resources. They have a help center, knowledge base, and even some basic tutorials on their website. These are, in a sense, free. You can access them anytime, anywhere. But are they comprehensive? Not always. They often cover the basics, but if you're looking for in-depth training or customized solutions, you'll likely need to look elsewhere. Intuit also offers paid training options. They have certified pro advisors who can provide personalized training, both online and in person. These professionals are experts in QuickBooks, and they can help you tailor the software to your specific business needs. However, this comes at a cost. It's an investment, but it can be a worthwhile one if you want to maximize your efficiency and avoid costly mistakes. Then, there's the vast world of online resources. YouTube, for example, is a goldmine of QuickBooks tutorials. You can find countless videos covering everything from setting up your company file to generating financial reports. Many of these videos are free, but the quality can vary. Some are excellent, while others are outdated or inaccurate. It's essential to be discerning and to look for reputable sources. Online courses are another option. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning offer a wide range of QuickBooks courses, both free and paid. Free courses are often introductory and may not cover all the features you need. Paid courses, on the other hand, are typically more comprehensive and may include features like quizzes, assignments, and instructor support. Community colleges and small business development centers also offer QuickBooks training. These courses are often affordable and may even be free for certain individuals or businesses. They can provide a structured learning environment and the opportunity to network with other business owners. So, back to the original question. Is QuickBooks training free? The answer is yes and no. There are free resources available, but they may not be sufficient for everyone. Paid training options offer more comprehensive and personalized support, but they come at a cost. The key is to determine your needs and budget. If you're a beginner and just need to learn the basics, free online resources may be enough. However, if you're a more advanced user or need customized training, you may want to consider investing in a paid course or hiring a pro advisor. Let's break down the advantages and disadvantages of free versus paid training. Free training. Advantages. Accessibility. Available anytime, anywhere. Cost-effective. No direct financial investment. Variety. A wide range of resources available online. Disadvantages. Variable quality. Some resources may be outdated or inaccurate. Limited support. May not offer personalized assistance. Lack of structure. May not follow a logical learning path. Paid training. Advantages. Comprehensive. Covers all aspects of QuickBooks. Personalized support. Offers customized assistance and guidance. Structured learning. Follows a logical and effective curriculum. Expert instruction. Benefit from the knowledge of certified professionals. Disadvantages. Cost. Requires a financial investment. Time commitment. May require attending classes or completing assignments. Ultimately, the choice is yours. There's no right or wrong answer. The best QuickBooks training is the one that meets your needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.